I've spent the last few weeks swapping between these 5 bikes on my morning commute because honestly, finding a solid single speed shouldn't be this confusing. I bought these, put them together in my garage, and rode them through city potholes and park trails to see which ones actually hold up. Here's what I found out after some real-world miles.
Product number 1. Makelin 29-inch mountain bike. When I first pulled the Makelin out of the box, the weight of the steel frame told me right away this thing is built like a tank. It's listed as an 8-speed, which actually came in handy when I hit a few steeper hills that a pure fixie would have struggled with. The suspension fork is the real hero here. I took a few curbs and some gravel paths, and it soaked up the vibration much better than I expected for a bike at this price point. The Wanda tires feel thick and grippy, giving me plenty of confidence on wet pavement. It came about 85% assembled, so I had it ready to roll in maybe 20 minutes. If you're someone who wants a rugged commuter that can handle a dirt shortcut without rattling your teeth out, this is a very safe bet.
Product number 2. Kupsala BMX Race Bike. The Kupsala caught my eye because of that sleek gold finish, and in person, it looks even better. It's definitely the bike the neighbors will ask about. Since it's a BMX style, the geometry feels very flickable and fun. I tested the 24-inch version, and it felt surprisingly comfortable for my height. One thing I noticed during my rides was how simple the rear V-brake is. It's low maintenance, but gave me plenty of stopping power when I needed to slow down fast. It's a high-10 steel build, so it's sturdy enough to take a beating at the local park or on a sidewalk cruise. It even comes with pegs if you want to mess around with some basic tricks. This is the perfect pick if you want something stylish and durable for short, fun trips around the neighborhood.
Product number 3. Avasta Single-Speed Fixed Gear. The Avasta is exactly what I picture when I think of a classic city commuter. It's got that thin, minimalist look with a flat handlebar that makes it really easy to weave through traffic. My favorite feature is the flip-flop hub. I spent one day riding it fixed and the next on the freewheel, and switching them out was a breeze. The high-tensile steel frame does a surprisingly good job at softening those annoying road bumps. It comes 90% assembled, so I basically just have to throw on the front wheel and pedals. It took me about 15 minutes tops. The 700 by 25C tires are fast and thin, making this bike feel light and responsive. If you're a student or a daily commuter looking for a simple, stylish ride that just works, go with this one.
Product number 4. Throne Cycles TRK-LRD. This bike feels like a different beast the moment you touch it. The TRK-LRD uses a 6061 alloy frame paired with a full carbon fork, and you can really feel that weight savings when you're accelerating. It's incredibly stiff and responsive. When I took it out for a sprint, the power transfer through the Throne alloy crank felt immediate. I also noticed how much the carbon seat post helped dampen some of the high-frequency road buzz that usually plagues aluminum bikes. The Novatech hubs are super smooth, and the bladed spokes give it a high-end aerodynamic look that I love. It's definitely more of a performance-oriented machine than a casual cruiser. If you're serious about track riding or just want the fastest, lightest bike in the group, the Throne is worth every penny.
Product number 5. Golden Cycles Fixie. The Golden Cycles Fixie is all about personality and everyday reliability. It's got a classic track-style frame that feels very agile in tight city corners. What I appreciated most during my test rides was that it comes with both front and rear brakes right out of the box. A lot of fixies skip one, but having both made me feel a lot safer in heavy traffic. The 700C wheels roll over debris easily, and the gear ratio felt just right for maintaining a good clip on flat ground without killing my legs. They offer a ton of color combos, so you can really get one that fits your vibe. It's a straightforward, dependable urban bike that doesn't overcomplicate things. If you want a solid, customizable daily driver for getting to work, this is a great choice. Outro. Those are the best options I've tested lately. Each one fits a slightly different riding style, so pick the one that matches your daily route. I've put links to all of them in the description below, so you can check out the current prices and color options. Happy riding!